Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg soup noodles updated. Start by preparing your vegetables and broth before you boil the noodles. I will walk you through chopping 2 carrots, 1 onion, and 3 cloves of garlic, building simple vegetable broth, and timing the noodles so they stay springy. This method keeps flavors bright, textures pleasant, and cleanup minimal for a satisfying, speedy weeknight meal. Warm your pan, then sauté garlic and onion until translucent to unlock sweet and savory flavors. Add 4 cups water, a spoon of miso or 1 cube vegetable bouillon, and toss in bay leaf and a few peppercorns. Let the pot simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes to concentrate flavor while you chop vegetables. Taste and adjust salt, then strain or leave it rustic depending on how clear you cook noodles in a separate pot to avoid overcooking and cloudy broth. Then drain and set aside. Blanch firmer veg like carrots and broccoli for 2 to 3 minutes first, then add softer items like spinach or peas in the final minute. Finish by ladling hot broth over the noodles and vegetables off the heat, and let everything sit for about 2 minutes so flavors meld and textures stay just right before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.